Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Bigo Live. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Bigo Live. Make sure you have already downloaded it. So in order to block someone, let me go to chat. Tap on chat icon that is located on bottom. So here it will show you real match and message option. Tap on message option. So here this is the list of your friend to whom you have chat. Let me block this person. Tap on profile icon. So this is a profile. Now tap on three dot and next tap on block. So you have successfully blocked this account. So in this way you can block anyone on Bigo Live. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.